Greetings, my good friends. There are over 20 U.S. states and cities that are now providing their own form of stimulus checks to all eligible residents. Payments worth up to $3,000 can be claimed right now by low and middle income households. This, friends, is awesome news. Remember, friends, that I'm here every day as your daily advocate for more crisis relief assistance. I am 100% committed to supporting everyone in this community as much as I can, including all seniors, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. So friends, please make sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family. Also, if you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, do stay tuned until the end of this video. Thank you so much, friends.
American culture. Black stories are essentially an ongoing story of America. I see it every day with the Vice President and the incredible job she's doing. We see it in the black members of my cabinet and the White House staff and who are here today, who serve to defend the nation, protect the planet, build the economy, deliver housing, jobs, and justice. And we see it in the tireless, heroic efforts of the Congressional Black Caucus. And I'm going to embarrass him now. Former chairman of the Black Caucus has come over to help me run things. I never played golf till I was 46 years old. I got to be pretty good. Then I asked Cedric to help me in my campaign. Then I played golf and he beat the hell out of me. I wish I'd never done it. I don't know.
All right, my friends. So first of all, I know that many of you are wondering what exactly is going on with the Internal Revenue Service. Taxpayers who have checked the Where's My Refund tool on the IRS website have reported seeing a message that says, your return is being processed. And in some cases, this message might stay on there for weeks or even months. Now, the return is being processed message might be annoying if it keeps popping up over and over again, but it actually carries good news. That is because it means that the IRS received your tax return, so you don't have to worry that there is an issue with them receiving it. According to tax experts, the IRS has been able to process most returns and issue refunds within 21 calendar days of receiving them. But the agency has run into a massive backlog since the beginning of this crisis, caused by a combination of staff shortages and more complex returns that include federal stimulus payment income. The IRS recently reassigned 1,200 employees to answer calls and help with the backlog. The IRS said in a statement last month that it expects to have most refunds dispersed within 21 days this tax season. But the IRS has also stated that you should not be surprised if your refund is delayed. My friends, there are also steps that you can take to help prevent delays. According to CNN News, these include filing your return online, choosing direct deposit, double-checking that all the information is accurate, making sure that you sign the return before sending it off, and ensuring that it is sent to the right Internal Revenue Service processing center. Friends, as this crisis is still ongoing, there are still millions of Americans that are very worried about their future. Now there are over 20 U.S. states and cities that have agreed to finally send out their own form of relief checks to their residents. 2 of the country's biggest cities are committing to millions of dollars to help struggling families. Los Angeles, California, and Chicago, Illinois, are rolling out guaranteed basic income pilot programs. Los Angeles, California, and Chicago, Illinois, are rolling out guaranteed basic income pilot programs that will provide monthly payments to low-income residents for 1 year. Los Angeles' program, which is called the Big Leap, will provide 3,200 people with a $1,000 check per month. Then Chicago's initiative will provide 5,000 residents $500 per month. Applications for Los Angeles' initiative have just closed this past Friday, but Chicago is still hammering details for its program. Both of these programs are set to launch very soon. The programs, which will be the largest of their kind, build on momentum generated by smaller initiatives like the 2-year pilot program in Stockton, California, which was found to increase participants' full-time employment and also decrease their anxiety. About 40 other U.S. cities have considered or implemented similar efforts. According to mayors for guaranteed income pilot programs, the cities include Minneapolis, Denver, Newark, Pittsburgh, San Francisco, New Orleans, and Compton. So last year in July, Los Angeles County supervisors approved a 3-year pilot program for residents ages 18 to 24 years of age. And now California is also looking into the potential of launching a statewide initiative. Previous attempts to provide direct cash assistance payments have largely yielded positive results, but many economists question whether similar programs can be replicated on a larger scale. So the idea of giving direct cash assistance to low-income residents has been proposed by many economists, legislators, and community leaders. And now it has gained significant momentum, especially during the crisis. So friends, what do you all think about the guaranteed basic income programs? And do you all support it? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is pineapple. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below each keyword from each video that you watch, and do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. Also, friends, California's budget surplus could mean that its residents will receive $1,100 stimulus checks this year. According to a California state senator, the surplus amount would be enough to give every Californian a $1,125 tax rebate, or $4,000 for a family of 4. That amount of money would greatly help Americans that continue to struggle till this day. It is still unclear how much taxpayers could receive this year. But in the second expanded Golden State Stimulus Program, all eligible Californians receive $600, plus an additional $500 if they had one or more qualifying dependent. So it is likely to be similar to that. Well, my great friends, thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos every day. To say thank you, I give away Walmart gift cards every Friday. And if you would like to enter the giveaway, please remember to click and like my videos. Comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.